So rather than showing you guys my usual how to get video ideas yourself, I took the time and actually got 40 big video ideas for you guys. So grab a pen and a paper and start jotting. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nwosuellah. And I don't want to just like blab on too much because I have 40 video ideas to share with you guys, so let's just jump into it. All the video ideas I'm going to share with you guys are ones that you can do at home. So yeah, I'm not going to say things like vlogging or all those other things that you have to go out to do. I'm going to tell you guys all the things you can definitely film at home. I'm guessing by now you should have a pen and a paper because I'm going to be going really fast. You're not going to understand what I'm saying. So routine, morning, night routine, afternoon routine. No, morning and afternoon. Morning routine and night routine.
Good morning.
Let me just take it in my own pace. Then what I eat in a day in the life, a day in the life. You have to stay at home and film your whole day. How to edit Instagram pictures, thumbnails, banners, outro. How to edit pictures, very good. How to make jollof rice or how to make any meal, mac and cheese, pizza. You can stay at home in your kitchen and film that kind of video if you have a cooking channel or a lifestyle channel, so that can work also. How to be confident on camera. If you're like me and you're confident on camera, you can teach people how to be like smack or pass, spicy noodles challenge. I love spicy noodles challenge. Different other challenges that you can do. I saw spicy chicken challenge, so yeah, one of those challenges. Styling your natural hair. You see my hair looks pretty, yeah, so you can teach people how to style their natural hair. You could do story time, eyebrow tutorial, a video like this also on how to get video ideas. After I've given you these video ideas, you can do your own how to get video ideas. A video like this too would work. Video on DIY affordable backdrops. A video on can you hear my neighbors. This is like the perfect time for them to be in church and sing on a Thursday morning. So DIY backdrops, you can make videos on DIY backdrops because a lot of people like me need backdrops, so you could definitely do a video like that. Also DIY shirts, how to style your shirt in different ways, a t-shirt, a hoodie, just how to style outfits like that. How to get coily hair. I would definitely watch that video because I need to get these babies coiling, so a video like that would actually also work. Okay, so this one is actually like really good. How to get more views on YouTube. This is a good one. How to get more views on YouTube. How to get 4,000 watch hours on YouTube. Lightroom presets if you want to edit, or if you know how to edit, you could make a video on Lightroom preset. Okay, that makes sense. So this one is actually really good. How to take Instagram photos, like not edit them, how to take those photos for your Instagram, how to give them those poses. Instagram live. So if you are an Instagram person and you know how to take pictures really well, you could share your knowledge with people on your channel. That will actually get you a lot of views because I don't know how to take pictures, so I'll definitely watch that video. How to grow on Instagram, how to make an intro, answering your assumptions about me. I think that's how they put it, answering your assumptions about me. But I feel like that video is for people that have like a lot of followers, that people now assume things about them. People like me, nobody gives a fuck who you are. So I can't make that kind of video because okay, so this one is actually really good. Copyright free music, royalty free music. This is a good topic. How to edit with music. Just whatever you can do around copyright free music will get you a lot of views. Trust me, even if your channel is small, you're just going to get at least 50 views and more. Like, it's a topic that people are actually interested in, so you should definitely do a video about copyright free music. So the struggles, this is more of like a sit down and talk video where you actually sit down and say the struggles of being a Nigerian YouTuber, the struggles of being a black girl in a white neighborhood, the struggles of being a white girl in a black neighborhood. You get like struggles, so you could definitely do videos like this. I love videos like this, honestly. So how to be more productive in quarantine. Customize your iPhone. Oh my god, this is a good one because it's currently actually trending like right now. Like a week ago it was all over the place. If you make a video on it, you're going to get like 100k views, but I did not make that video because it's not in my niche. But you could definitely make that video. iOS 14, you get, I don't know, you can still try your luck and make the video, but it was going crazy on the internet a few weeks back. So how to brand your channel. You could make a video advising people on how to brand their channel. That's like a good topic. I made that video, so yeah. Also, the niche about how to be more productive in quarantine is actually very crazy because now we are all in lockdown. So if you make a video like that, it would actually relate to a lot of people that are around you, so they would actually love to watch videos like that. Okay, this one is actually really big. Channel color theme. I watched this girl. She literally just made me really happy. You know, like when you talk about branding your channel and then you need to have like a color for your channel, how you make your intro, a particular way you make your intro, outro, banner, like everything just has to be all organized and everything. This girl's channel gives you color ideas. Like she combines color for you and she shows you examples of intro, outro, and everything that would work. That's like channel theme. So she gives you like your channel theme. If you want like neutral, if you want peach, if you want yellow, she'll just tell you things that would actually work with your channel, how you would actually make your thumbnails with those colors. Like she'll just actually brand your channel for you, so it's just left for you to take what she has given you and create more of it. Do you understand? So if you make videos like this, trust me, it is going to blow up, because immediately I saw her page, I subscribed like immediately. You could make protuber videos. I don't know if this is what it's called, but videos that actually tell people why someone's channel is growing. Like if someone's channel is doing really well, like blowing up, you could analyze that person's channel and tell other people why the channel is blowing up, so that you can blow up, so that the viewers can blow up after watching your video. Feel me? Yeah, so videos like that are actually really good. How to lay your edges, how to twerk. Yeah, how to lay your edges, how to twerk, how to get long hair, because a lot of people need long hair. So you could make a video on how to get long hair and how to twerk for people that do not know how to, you know. So how to start a podcast, how to rank your videos in how to kiss, sensitive topic, or beginner makeup series, how to draw your brows, videos like that on makeup, how to set your primer or setting powder or something like that, I don't really know. Then pranking your mom, pranking your dad, pranking your siblings, your boyfriend, just pranking people around you, different kind of pranks. Trust me, it is going to blow people's mind off, because people like pranks. They like to see other people being humiliated. It's funny. Sorry, that's not funny. So yeah, gaming videos and get ready with me. Get ready with me is like my favorite. I don't know a lot of gaming videos because I barely watch them, but if you are a gamer or if you like games, you actually know what I'm talking about. You could go to any gamer's channel and then just scroll through their videos to see more game videos that you can create. And get ready with me, I love getting ready with people. I love getting ready with them. So yeah, I'm definitely going to make a video like that, definitely. So by the way, this is the end of it. This is 40 videos if you did not count. That was 40 video ideas. So yeah, that's actually it for this video. I hope you liked it and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, then give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Make sure to comment down what video you would like to see next. I love you guys. Bye.